Hello everyone! This is a video recording for part 1 of the assignment 2 of cs311. I will show you how to install an ADN-RID OS in VirtualBox, run an app, and show the resulting performance metrics. The first step is to find a compatible Android operating system that allows app downloads. After some research, we decided to use BlissOS version 14.10. This version comes with GApps pre-installed, making it easy to install apps. The ISO installation process can take some time depending on internet connection, so we'll use a pre-installed one. Let's move on to the actual VM. We'll be doing this through the Oracle VirtualBox. We'll create a new VM and name it VM01. We will select Linux, then Other Linux, then 64-bit. To avoid issues, we'll set the RAM to 4 GB and storage to 20 GB. This will help accommodate the app installation. Okay, so since the initial setup is done, we'll go ahead with the boot. Some additional installation will be required. We will follow the steps shown on screen. Next, we have to create a new partition. To do this, press C, then Enter. We will select DOS and select New. Select Primary. We will assign the space and make it bootable. This step is important. In order to save the changes, we will need to write the data. After finishing this, we will return to the installation step. Select the partition you just created and format it using ext4. Now we will wait for the installation to finish. I will fast forward this step to save time. After the installation has finished, we first need to unmount the bootable disk. Then we will reboot into the operating system. After selecting the appropriate boot sequence, we will be met with the BlissOS loading screen. This means our installation was successful. After a few seconds, the lock screen should appear. We will drag to unlock the phone. We will need to enable mouse integrations to allow the host mouse to act as a pointer for the Android system. After doing so, we can go ahead with the next step, which is the installation of an Android game. But first, we will need to log in to Google Play services in order to install the app. I will skip this part due to a presence of sensitive information. From our research, we found the best compatible game to be Farm Heroes Saga. This works well with BlissOS x86 version without any need to enable ARM emulation. Before we can play the game, we will install some metrics and performance tracking apps in order to take a deeper look into the effects on RAM and CPU before and after a game is started. For the RAM, we will install an app called Simple System Monitor. This will show a visual representation of the current RAM usage. As you can see, the current RAM usage fluctuates around 35 to 40%. For the CPU, we will install an app called 3C Toolbox. We can go to the Monitoring tab, and it will show us our CPU usage. Now we will finally launch our game. We will play a few rounds to simulate an actual gaming session and to see its effects in a real-world scenario. We will switch over to see the RAM usage, and it seems pretty high at 50% utilization rate. This remains steady throughout, falling to 46% slightly. CPU utilization rate seems to be constant, hovering around 90% due to the game still running in the background. This is the end of the first part of the assignment for cs311. Thank you for watching. More information about the necessary strategies to optimize overall user experience can be found in the assignment report,